Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how you can actually quickly add rows to your Excel project. So basically, it happens to us a lot when, for example, here I put my name or the names, data, here the worked hours, and here the salary per hour. But maybe I would find some other Michael. So here, for example, I will remove Ashley and add Michael. So in this case, I will need to put their name and the first name. So how I can the first name and the last name. So how I can really do that? How I can really fix this problem that I have here, which I put it only the names. So basically, I go here, for example, I change this to first names. So let's say this is the first name, and basically I have no space in this area to add the last name. What should I do in this case? Basically, it's pretty simple. What you have to do is go ahead and select where do you want to put the column. So for example, I want it to be in here in the B column. So basically, you just go to the B and then click right, insert, and here it is. So yeah guys, here for example, I can write last name, and now I can start making some difference. So I can see Michael and I see last name, and I see Michael too and I see his last name, and I really recognize which Michael I want to look for now. And yeah guys, this trick will work even for cells, so for lines. So for example, if you wanted to add another Michael, I don't know what's happening with the Michaels, but yeah, let's add for example another Michael. Just go to the row, to the cell, and then click insert, and here it is. Now I can type another Michael. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually make or add quickly a row in your Excel sheet. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.